Hello everyone, and today I'll be talking about what makes you unique in a global world. But first, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Rakamni Hashrina. I'm 11 years old and currently studying in class 6A1 at Soviet Interlevel School. In a world with billions of people, it is easy to make us feel not unique and special because there are many technologies and many people doing the same things. So you may wonder, what actually makes us special? The truth is, being unique isn't about being perfect, but it comes from your own personal mix. First, let's think about your background. No one has ever grew up in the same background as you, and no one has ever grew up with the same family and in the same town as you. Your way of seeing the world comes from your own history and tradition, and this shows how unique you are. Secondly, think about your skills. You don't have to be an expert at something to become unique. You just need to combine all the skills that you know so that you can become unique. For example, a person who knows singing and dancing will stand out more than those who only know one. For example, take me as an example. I used to be very nervous and less confident before speaking on stage. And people would think that I'm not confident and not brave, and they would say not good things about me, like I'm weak, I'm not brave, and something like that. But ever since I have started practicing, I have proved them wrong because now I have become the bigger person and I know how to become confident and brave. Now they think the opposite about me in the past. Third, think about your stories. When you talk about your stories, you make others feel like the same. For example, you say you come from a poor family and you don't have much education. Others will think that you are some people will think that you are poor, while others say that it's okay, and others will start sharing their stories too. This helps us to connect with the people around the world. For example, me, before I start sharing my stories, people think that I'm weak, I don't have much knowledge, and they will think that I live in a jungle with no homes and food to eat. But now, ever since I've started education and sharing my stories, they have seen the better side of me and they have started to help me to move to a better future. Not only that, but my dream is to help the people in my village to also become a better person and have a brighter future. So, in conclusion, when being the same person as another person is easy, but when being yourself is much more better. And here I have a small message for you, Sad, so that you can do something better. Here, don't try to be the best. Just be the only you, and that makes you irreplaceable and unique. Thank you for listening.